Bury that. Here, come here. Come here. Come on. Come here. Bury it on the rug now?
Smell it.
Here.
Smell it.
Bury that. He won't do it. Here. He's given up.
He only did it a dozen times.
Bury it, Dewey. Here, stand up. Bury that. Yeah. Here. He's doing it. I don't understand. Why do you do it? It doesn't make any sense. Here. Dewey. He can't dig in the floor. He really wants to bury that. Bury it. Yeah. What a weirdo. You're a weirdo.
You filming it?
Yeah.
Bury it to him.